Nature Boy here, looking for who I think is my main man today, Alex. Happy birthday, brother. I'm told that you think you're ready for a main event at WrestleMania. I don't think so, brother. I don't know, maybe. Alek0mania, Alek0mania, whatever your deal is. And FYI, my lizard shoes cost a lot more than $600, brother. I'm custom made from head to toe, and hope you are too. Your friend Peter said you're the man. Greek God, wow. All the girls love that. Well, as long as the girls are going, woo, Alex, you are the man. You're in a good place. Continue to style, woo, and profile my brother, Alex. Happy birthday. Woo!